Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Trust Wallet private key. It is crucial to understand that your recovery phrase, a sequence of 12 words, functions as your master private key. This phrase grants complete control over all your crypto assets within that wallet. You must never share these 12 words with anyone, as doing so would give them full access to your funds. Trust Wallet itself does not store this phrase, so its security is entirely your responsibility. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, you will see an option labeled Wallets. Tap on this to proceed. Here, you will see a list of all the wallets you have created or imported. Select the particular wallet for which you wish to retrieve the recovery phrase. After selecting your wallet, look for a small icon, often 3 dots or an eye symbol next to the wallet's name. Tap this icon to access more options. You will then see an option like Show Secret Phrase or Manual Backup. Select this. The app will prompt you to confirm your identity using your passcode, PIN, or biometric scan. Once authenticated, your 12-word recovery phrase will be displayed. Write these words down precisely in the order shown. Securing your recovery phrase is paramount. After writing it down, store it in several secure offline locations, such as a safe or a fireproof box. Never take a screenshot or store it digitally on your phone, computer, or cloud services, as these are vulnerable to hacks. Remember, anyone with your 12-word phrase has complete control over your funds. Trust Wallet support will never ask you for this phrase, so be wary of any requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.